This is a SnowTrax product feature.
There is no denying the fact that the CKX Titan Snowmobile helmet is one of the most popular ever produced. It's a great design, it keeps you warm, fog-free, and has incredible functionality. And for 2026, we have the Titan AMS Carbon. The most obvious change is the AMS naming, which means Air Management System, and the customization of that system to keep your head condensation-free, as well as the interior of the helmet frost-free, ensuring you're dry and comfortable. The front adaptive muzzle has adjustable air vents as well as interchangeable grills for less or more airflow options. Now, the helmet that I'm going to be using this season is actually this helmet right here. And this is the carbon version with the Apex goggle, but this is not just any Apex goggle. This Titan AMS Pro comes with the Apex heated goggles. These are seriously impressive and don't just come with the 12-volt visor plug-in option, but also with the 3,000 milliamp hour helmet-mounted battery pack and USB-C charging cable, and separate goggle strap for going wireless. The illuminated side strap rubber molded button gives me control over heat settings and ensures that I have totally frost and fog-free riding days ahead, and gives me options for big touring days with the 12-volt plug or shorter trips where I want to ride with the wireless battery setup. The lenses are not only quick interchangeable, they're glove-friendly quick interchangeable as well, for optional tints, and feature magnetic attachment that also deals with the power, so you can snap on a new lens trail side with ease. The lenses are photochromatic, double pane, and also have built-in adjustable air vents on the top. Fogging up is not going to be an issue for me, ever. Even the foam padding is insulated for comfort. These are seriously advanced goggles. Sorry, I know I kind of geeked out right there, but these goggles are seriously impressive. And you know what else is seriously impressive? Is the carbon shell that this helmet is made of. Available in 2XS all the way up to 5 extra large, the actual shell has 4 sizes, and the padding makes up for the rest of the sizing. The carbon shell is flawless and looks absolutely stunning. The AMS Pro is designed to receive communication systems, so there's extra space built in, and it also has a removable neck curtain, long chin curtain, face guard, and nose guard. The inner liner is removable and washable, so you can freshen it up after a long winter. The cheek pads feature the emergency removal system in case medical assistance is ever needed when you're wearing it, and the visor has a built-in breakaway system in case of impact. This is a well-thought-out helmet. Now, one of the things that I really appreciate, but infrequently talk about because most manufacturers overlook it, is the way that CKX delivers this Titan AMS Pro in carbon. Most brands wrap your expensive lid in a foam bag and stuff it in a box. Not CKX. This helmet comes in a very nice CKX logoed carry bag that's padded with a soft interior so your helmet stays looking good for years to come. The bag has all the accessories included, like extra visor screws, vent plugs, and the 12-volt accessories for plugging in my goggles, right inside. CKX knows how to make you feel like your purchase is important, and let's face it, a purchase like this really is. Now, in the accessory department, CKX also offers different ventilated interior foam for you to use in different temperature conditions, should you want to change that. They also have a short version of the chin curtain if you prefer, and then different magnetic lens options in different colors so you can read the snow conditions better, or just add a different look to your Titan AMS Pro helmet. Now, all of these features sound really great, but how do they translate into actual real-world snowmobiling use? Glad you asked, let me tell you. The Titan is the ultimate moto-style helmet with no compromise cold weather protection. You get the look and style of an MX helmet with the features and warmth of a full-face modular. There are literally 0 compromises made here. The AMS venting keeps my head at the perfect temperature and never shows a sign of fogging. The built-in breath box on the muzzle is perfectly shaped and fit and keeps the heat away from my goggles, and while I don't expect to have any fogging, if I get off trail and have some fun and really work up some heat, I can push the strap button and get rid of that fog in a matter of seconds, or run all day in the coldest of temps with my 12-volt plug option as well. The padding, insulation, and the weight of the Carbon AMS Pro are all seriously impressive. I honestly don't have anything bad to say about this helmet. It's a step way above all of the other Titans that I've used in the past. It has amazing function, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do, keeping me warm in those cold winter months.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the SnowTrax crew.